Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Takoa, and today I am going to be showing you guys my Ohsopaper haul with you. I'm going to be sharing my Ohsopaper subscription box for February and also my Ohsopaper order that I placed separate from my subscription box. So if you are curious to see what is in my February subscription box for Ohsopaper, then stick around. All right, so first off, I'm going to start with the subscription box, and then we're going to come back to this order because I'm really excited about this one. And I'm really excited because I actually used to get the subscription box from Ohsopaper when they first started. And we used to get the little pink envelopes that look just like this. But you guys, this is a box. So I am really excited to see what is in the inside because I just feel like I'm going to get a little bit more than just stickers. So I'm really, really excited to see what else she has put inside of here and included in the subscription box. But I missed out on quite a few of the subscription boxes, and I just fell into a little FOMO, and I was like, let me go ahead and reactivate my membership because I am never disappointed whenever I get an order. So let's make sure I got this open up all the way. There we go. You guys, I have been missing out. How cute is this? No one is you, and that is your superpower. This is so stinking cute, you guys. Oh my goodness. So, of course, you're going to get the stickers. Yay. Definitely going to get that. And then I don't know if this is a notebook or a planner, but we're definitely going to be looking through that as well. So I want to let you guys see all the stickers in here. And then she gave me some cute little confetti. I'm loving this box little packaging. I love that. So let's go ahead and start with the stickers. One of the things that I do love about these is that they also give you this little magnet here, and this is like the sticker of the month, and this is a little magnet, and so I put this on my little cart and I absolutely love it. So I am a huge collector of these, and I think now I have about 6 in my collection, and this is going to make my 7th one. But I'm hoping that I'll be able to reorder some of the other ones that I missed out on because I had paused my membership. But I'm not going to be doing that anymore. No, ma'am. All right. So you're going to get this magnet, which is really cute. Just like some girlfriend time. Oh my goodness. I love this. So you get this as a magnet, and then you get the monthly sticker. And this says, love yourself, Ohsopaper. And this is the February of 2021 edition. So I do like, you know, you get not only a magnet, but you also get a sticker as well. And then you get like a nice little postcard or journaling card. Really cute. Oh, so this is a little different. So on the back of this, it used to be a journaling card, but now she's putting what to include in here. So you're going to get your stickers here, and she names all the stickers. You're going to get your, so we get a personalized notepad, notebook, or personalized note card. And then for subscribers only, you can also have access to coloring books, which I do love their coloring books too. And then you can also get sticker sheets and also subscriber only freebies, which that is a great deal. So if you haven't been subscribed yet to Ohsopaper collection, I will definitely put this link down in the description box below so that you can go ahead and become a subscriber and don't miss out because these are stinking cute. Really cute. All right. So here we get some stickers. Let's go through all the stickers. Ooh, I already see one that I like. Okay. So I love all of her dolls. I don't care what the shades are. I just love them all. So we get some of the dolls here. We get Dana, Zuri, Ashton, Blythe. That is really cute. Adrian. So we get 5 different dolls. And then we get some more of the mini ones of each of the dolls down here. So cute. Look at her on her little couch. Yes, love yourself. Then we get some functional stickers here with each of the dolls. I love this. How cute is that? This says stay in at the bottom. This says Manny Petty. Oh my goodness. Look at these cute, fun full boxes. Oh my goodness, y'all. This is so cute. all about loving yourself and self-care. Yes. Love, love, love these stickers. Oh, look at this. Oh my goodness. February 2021, you get some nice decorative stickers here. Be your own reason to smile. You get a nice little planner with your goals, some candles, self-love club. Hello. And then that sticker that was on that box, no one is you and that is your superpower. You get that sticker there too. Yes, Octavia come through. So she also included an everyday girl. And this is something that I think that she brought back that's new. Well, it's new to me. And I love these everyday girls. She is so classy. I love this. And so you get some self-care stickers here. It says note to self, payday, bill due. And then you get Women's History Month and World Compliment Day. Daylight saving time begins, and St. Patrick's Day. I love how she put the dates on these too, so you'll know where to put them. Ooh, and look at this one. This will be great for either a weekly or a monthly spread. Yes. Or even like the currently page. This will be really good because you get some action steps, and then you get like a note section here. And you can do maybe like a self-care our self-love currently page for the month. This will be really, really cute. But yeah, so those are the stickers that we get with the monthly subscription. I'm definitely going to be adding this to my planner cart. Cannot wait. Now let's dive into this bad baby because this is chunky, you guys. Now my last subscription that I did get like a notebook, and then it also had stickers in the inside. If I remember what subscription box that was, I'll link it in this video so you can check that out once you're done with this, and you guys can kind of see what that looks like in the inside. And so maybe if you're a member and you like what you see in that notebook as well as the stickers in there, you'll be able to purchase that as well. So again, this says, no one is you and that's your superpower. And this is how the back looks. Really, really cute. Oh my goodness. You guys. Okay, so this might be like a goal notebook or a goal planner, or we're going to see. So I do like this. So you get some stickers here that says goal, and you're able to number these. You can use the months, and then you have days of the weeks, and then also some functional icons here. And then some more little quotes there. Honey, this right here, this is everything. I want this as a dashboard. Like I don't know. This is really cute. I want to put this in a picture frame and put it in my mom cave. Like this is really, really cute. So this is the first divider, and then this is what this looks like. I think you can use this pretty much however you want because it's pretty much plain. You can use it as a planner, a goal sheet, a daily sheet. This would be great to kind of break up things. So I do like how, you know, you can put the date here and then maybe a word for the week, the month, however. And so, yeah, so these are the sheets. Each page is the same. So let's go to the next divider, which is this one here. Oh, look at that. That is really cute. Loving this. All right, so this next divider actually has a different layout. So you can also do this maybe as a to-do list because you can write down the specific section you want to use and then write down your different steps when you want to get it done, and then write down all the steps that you need, or maybe like a project sheet too. So I think you can do a whole lot with this notebook. I like this. Oh, okay. And then that's it. So again, this could be a planner, however you want to use it, or just a notebook, a to-do. But I think it's a really good size that you can actually use as an on-the-go or like an everyday planner, or something that you just want to jot down and kind of carry with you. And you have stickers in there as well. So this is really cute. I like that. So that was the February 2021 Ohsopaper subscription box. I love this. It's all about loving yourself or self-care. So yeah, so let's move on to my additional order that I placed separate from my Ohsopaper subscription box. All right, so here it is. Infamous pink envelope. Let's see. I'm trying to remember what I ordered, but I know it has a lot to do with some of those everyday girl stickers, okay? And some oldie but goodies stickers that I love from the past. Okay, So I did order a magnet because I didn't have this one. I wanted to add it to my collection. So this is actually going to be my 7th, and then the February 2021 subscription box magnet is going to be my 8th one, because I ordered this one first. And then I was like, you know what? I saw these Everyday Girls and I was like, let me get the subscription box just in case they're featured in there. So I'm really excited about that. So I did get this magnet. This is the Queendom magnet from Ohsopaper. I just love this. I have 3 girls, and so this just reminds me of my 3 girls. So I did pick up some of the Everyday Girl stickers. And so those stickers that I did pick up was this one right here. I just love this color. I love everything about it. And yes, super cute. I just love this. And then I also picked up this one. I just thought she was cute. I love this little outfit she has on. I think it's really cute. And I got this one. Oh my goodness. Like, yes, come through. This one. Yes, I love it. And you guys, I had to get a second one. Yes, I did. I had to get a second one of that one. And then this is the last one that I did get. So I do love most of her Everyday Girls, to be honest with you. So this is the Everyday Girl collection. And I also picked up some of the mini Ministas dolls as well. So I did pick up more of the Queendom stickers to go along with the magnets. I just love this. It is really cute. And then these are some oldies but goodies. So I believe this is part of her 2019 or 2020 collection. I'm not for sure. But I just love this. I just love the little tea party because, of course, I'm Southern Tea Time, and I just love tea parties. So I just love this one, and I just love everything on here that has to do with spring in the air. I'm just loving it. This is really cute. So I did pick up that one. And then I also picked up some functional stickers, which is the email stickers, because I'm finding myself writing this a lot in my planner. So I just thought if I can just get some stickers, why not go ahead and use those to kind of, you know, use those in my planners. And so I also picked up the Mini Squad, which is an oldie but a goodie. I just love everything about this sticker sheet, and I just wanted to also incorporate it more into some more of my spreads this year, and that's why I got this. I may be ordering some more if they are still available, but I just love this. I love it. So that was my Ohsopaper haul with my February subscription box and some additional stickers as well to add to my collection. And so you guys, I hope you enjoyed my Ohsopaper haul. I love everything about these subscription boxes. And again, you will be seeing more of these because I have reactivated my subscription box. So I am definitely going to be sharing more with you in the upcoming videos. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, again, my name is Takoa, and I do hope you consider clicking that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you can see more of my videos. So until next time, I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.